Let's now go to liver conditions. Let's discuss changes to lifestyle. When receiving acupuncture treatment, patients also often spontaneously change their physical lifestyle, since the treatments seem to make them more aware of which of their habits are unhealthy. But as a general rule, long periods of inactivity are detrimental to the liver, since this encourages the physical stagnation in the body, which the liver abhors. And long periods sat at a desk under stressful conditions would be particularly damaging, since the mental and emotional stresses tend to worsen the stagnation. The body is designed to be used to be physically active during daylight hours. So incorporating a variety of physical activities into our day is key to maintaining the health of the liver and is a great way to dissipate the effects of mental and emotional stress. However, routine excessive exercise will tend to have a depleting effect on the body's key resources and in long term could be just as damaging to our health. One of the key principles advocated by Chinese medicine is balance in every area and aspect of life. Other liver conditions. The following terms are also used in Chinese medicine in relation to liver conditions. Once stagnated liver function is present, this tends to affect the function of the other organs and hence the production of the blood. And once this situation has been present for some time, this may lead to signs and symptoms such as blurred vision, night blindness, dryness of the eyes, seeing either light specks or dark patches in the field of vision, poor quality nails, including soft, thin, withered, or deformed nails, numbness of the limbs and weak muscles, pale complexion, pale lips, and increased tendency to experience muscular cramps and spasms. These signs and symptoms are thought to be produced by a combination of the stagnated liver function and the effects of poor quality blood, which itself came about due to the long term stagnated liver function. In Chinese medicine, the condition is known as liver blood deficiency. If the stagnated liver function eventually affects the function of the stomach, this may produce a feeling of indigestion, discomfort around the lower front ribs on the left side, the location of the stomach, belching, nausea or vomiting, acid regurgitation, and a rising sensation of heat in the center of the chest or heartburn. In Chinese medicine, this condition is known as liver invading stomach. Here we have patient samples. First, male, age 14. The patient's parents split up when he was 10, and a year later he developed stomach cramps. His elder brother then left home, which he also found hard to accept. This case provides a textbook example of liver invading stomach. Next, we have female, age 32. This patient sought treatment for issues related to her menstrual cycle, primarily acne. This case also included a clear example of liver invading stomach, which in this case produced heat in the stomach, which manifested itself as acne. And if the function of the pancreas were affected, this could produce a bloated and tender abdomen, loose stools alternating with constipation and intestinal noises. In Chinese medicine, this condition is known as liver invading pancreas. Once the liver function has been stagnant for some time, this is likely to produce such symptoms as constant feelings of dissatisfaction, frustration, resentment, repressed anger, possibly leading to depression, and over time, the following symptoms would also occur: frequent bouts of angry shouting, violent rages, migraines and headaches with severe pain, and dizziness, vertigo, and tinnitus. In Chinese medicine terms, this condition is known as liver yang rising. Treatment of these conditions. All the above syndromes simply describe conditions that are either complications of stagnated liver function and can therefore be successfully treated by treating that condition, or are due to problems with one of the other main organs and would be addressed by treating the organ as well as treating the stagnated liver function, so that in the above examples, the stomach and pancreas would also be treated. Thank you for your attention.